All right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad math problem. Okay, so now we can easily cube both sides so that this cube root will go. Okay, so I have 5 raised to power x minus 13 raised to power x all raised to power 3 is equal to cube root of 125 raised to power x minus 325 raised to power x all cube. Okay, so cube will take care of cube roots. I'm having 5 raised to power x minus 13 raised to power x all raised to power 3 is equal to 125 raised to power x minus 325 raised to power x. Okay, so I'm now having that this is equal to, this is 5 raised to power x minus 13 raised to power x all raised to power 3 is equal to, this could be written as 125 can be written as 5 times 25. Okay, everybody's raised to power x minus, this one could be written as 13 times 25. Okay, 13 times 25 all raised to power x. Okay, so this is now 5 raised to power x minus 13 raised to power x all raised to power 3 is equal to, what I'm having here is 5 raised to power x dot 25 raised to power x minus 13 raised to power x dot 25 raised to power x. Okay, so this is 5 raised to power x minus 13 raised to power x all raised to power 3 is equal to, if I bring out 25 raised to power x, I'm left with 5 raised to power x here minus 13 raised to power x here. Okay, so since these two are the same thing, I can say let okay, for me not to get confused, can I say that let a be equal to 5 raised to power x and then e be equal to 13 raised to power x. Let's have it like this and see what is going to happen. Okay, so this is now equal to, this is now equal to a minus b all raised to power 3 is equal to what? This is 25 raised to power x can be written as 5 raised to power x. Okay, so this is 5 raised to power 2 all raised to power x. That is for this. Then into a minus b. Okay, now this is now a minus b all raised to power 3 is equal to what? 5 raised to power x all squared into a minus b. Okay, so this is a minus b all cubed is equal to, here is now a squared into a minus b. Let me bring this to this side. I'm going to have that this is a minus b all cubed minus a squared into a minus b is equal to 0. Okay, so you see that they have a minus b in common. So if I have a minus b here, I'll now be left out with a minus b all squared for this people, then minus a squared for this people is equal to 0. Now looking at this place critically, this is difference of two squares. So this is a minus b into a minus b minus a, then it's going to multiply by a minus b plus a. That is difference of two squares. Okay, so having this now is now very easy. Now when the product of two things is 0, automatically one of them is 0. So I'm having that a minus b 0 or a minus b minus a is 0 or a minus b plus a is 0. Okay, so a minus a here is even gone. Okay, so from this place a minus a is gone, so we have that minus b here is equal to 0, so b is equal to 0 here. Okay, then if b is equal to 0, if I put 0 here, we're having that a and b is 0. Okay, so a and b is 0, because if you put it here, you are getting that a is equal to 0 as well. So if a and b is equal to 0, Okay, if a and b is equal to 0, so what do we do next? So let us recall. If you recall what we said that a is equal to 5 raised to power x and b is equal to 5 raised to power x. So 5 raised to power x is equal to 0 and 5 raised to power x here is equal to 0. So is there any solution here? I don't think so. There is no solution there. Okay. There is no solution there for that particular one. Okay. So, but this place we say that a minus b. We say that a minus b is equal to 0. So let us try that particular one if it's going to work. Okay. We'll say that a minus b is equal to 0, which means that a is equal to b. So, but we say that this is 5 raised to power x is equal to what? 13 raised to power x. Let's see if that one will work. Okay. So let us see if that one is going to work. So let's take the log of both sides. We have the log 5 raised to power x is equal to what? Log 13 raised to power x. So this to go to the back, I have that x log 5 is equal to x log 13. Right? So if this one comes here, we're going to have that x log 5 minus x log 13 is equal to 0. So factor out the x. So x into log 5 minus log 13 is equal to 0. So we're having that x here is 0. So that is that for that x is equal to 0. Okay. So so that is for this condition. And for this condition, we got that b is equal to 0. And if we got that b is equal to 0, we're having that 13 raised to power x is equal to 0. So x, there is no solution here. There is no solution here. But let us check what the solution here is going to be. We have three conditions. First condition is this one I just solved. This is the second condition. There is no solution for the second condition. Let us check for the third condition. Now the third condition says that a minus b plus a is equal to 0. So this and this is giving me 2a minus b is equal to 0. Okay. So let us now put it here. 2 times 5 raised to power x minus 13 raised to power x is equal to 0. So what do we have? Okay. This is going to be, if we take the log of both sides, I'm going to have that this is okay, this is 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power x is equal to what? 13 raised to power x. So take the log of both sides. I'm having log 2.5 raised to power x is equal to log 13 raised to power x. Okay. So this will now give me, this is going to give me log 2 dot, sorry, plus log 5 raised to power x is equal to log 13 raised to power x. Okay. So this is now, let me take this to this side, bring this to this side. So I'm having that log 5 raised to power x, or 5 raised to power x, sorry, let me say that log 2 is equal to what? Log 13 raised to power x minus log 5 raised to power x. Okay, so the s can both go to the back. So I'm left with log 2 is equal to what? X log s log 13 minus x log 5. So if you factor out the x they have in common, I'm left with x log 13 minus log 5 is equal to what? Log 2. Okay? So this is now that x is equal to what? Log 2 over what? Log 13 minus log 5. Okay? Now don't forget that this could equally be written as minus log 5 minus into log 13 minus log 5, okay, all over log 2. So this is now log 5 minus log 13 all over log 2. So this is now log 5 base 2 minus log 13 base 2. So that is that for that. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.